Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, January 30th. We're seeing some cloudy and colder conditions out there. We do expect to see some light isolated rain or snow showers as we go throughout the day, but we are not expecting any snow accumulation as any precipitation is going to be rather light. So taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have a cold front approaching the area, and the disturbance ahead of the cold front is bringing us some very light returns across the area. And then as the actual cold front crosses the region this afternoon, we could see another shot of a very brief snow shower, but temperatures are going to remain above freezing throughout the day, so not expecting any snow accumulation at all or anything really sticking even to the grass. And it's going to be mostly just mixed in with some rain as well as we go through the afternoon, but any precipitation chances should be ended by 2 p.m. And then we are going to be seeing some breezier winds as we go late this morning and definitely into this afternoon and evening. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, you can see some light radar returns across the area this morning, moving eastward across the mid-Atlantic. We are starting to see some very light returns over the Wallops area as about 5 minutes ago, so we can expect those light returns to increase, and so don't be surprised to see a couple sprinkles out there, or perhaps a snow flurry or two as we go through the next couple hours, and then we will see a brief break and then possibly another chance of some light snow flurries as we go through the noontime through about 2 p.m. We are seeing winds from the northwest, pretty light right now, only running around 6 to 11 knots, but as we go into the late morning hours, we do expect those winds to increase rather sharply, gusting potentially up to 35 miles per hour as we go into this afternoon, so we can expect a wind advisory as early as late this morning and persisting through the rest of the workday. Let's take a look at one of our short-term models here so you could see chances for rain. We are going to be seeing just very light radar returns throughout the day, so mostly just some sprinkles. You can see we are going to be seeing a brief break late this morning, and then as we go around lunchtime until about the 2 p.m. hour, we're going to see another batch of some light sprinkles or snow flurries moving across the area. So as of 8 a.m., we are seeing overcast deck near 1,000 feet, northwesterly winds, still fairly light around 6 knots, but we do anticipate those to pick up in the next couple hours here, and a temperature of 37 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards throughout the day today, we do anticipate those temperatures to remain fairly steady throughout much of the day in the upper 30s, peaking at around 39 degrees this afternoon. And then we are going to be seeing a very chilly night tonight with those skies really clearing up, so it's going to help to aid those temperatures to drop down to around 21 this morning. Temperatures aren't going to be too bad because we're going to see those northwesterly winds across the area should help to keep those temperatures from plummeting into the teens for Wallops. But we are going to be seeing some mostly clear skies by Wednesday morning. Taking a look at our winds today, we do anticipate those winds to start to increase as we go into the late morning hours. We could be seeing a wind advisory as early as late this morning, just before lunchtime. And as we move into the afternoon, we are going to be seeing those wind gusts to around 30 to 35 miles per hour, with sustained winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour towards the end of the workday. We're going to be looking at a chance of precipitation, just very light, like I had mentioned, running about a 50 to 70% chance through noon, and then as we go on this afternoon, we're going to be seeing about a 30 to 40% chance of some additional sprinkles, ending by around 2 p.m. We are going to be seeing also a chance early tomorrow morning of some wind chills just near 10 degrees as those breezier winds help to drop that wind chill with those temperatures in the 20s. Taking a look at our TAF for today, we are going to be seeing some lower ceilings for at least the first half of the day. Going to be looking at ceilings near under 2,000 feet through lunchtime. Then as we go after lunchtime, we're going to see those clouds start to break up a bit with ceilings around the 4,000 to 6,000 foot level. Could see those ceilings drop lower to around 1,000 feet if we get under any shower activity. Then as we go into this evening around 6 p.m., those clouds are going to start to clear up across the region, becoming scattered and then becoming mostly clear with just a few cirrus clouds as we go into late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. We are seeing some high astronomical tides out there today as well, with tides 1.5 foot above normal. Taking a look at the next 3 days, tomorrow is going to be unseasonably cold with a high of 37, but it's going to be partly cloudy as high pressure settles just south of the region. So we are going to be seeing some lighter winds as well, but just a chilly day. And then on Wednesday night, we're going to be seeing that high pressure move east of the area, and we are going to be seeing a return flow. So we are going to be seeing an earlier low of 35 degrees under partly cloudy skies, and as those southerly winds start to ramp up, we'll see temperatures increasing late in the night. On Thursday, we're going to continue to see a southerly flow ahead of our next front, expected to move in later in the week. So Thursday, we can expect partly cloudy skies and a warmer day with a high of 53, and we will be seeing some breezy winds at times with wind gusts around 25 knots. That'll do it for your daily operations brief. We will be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and your 7-day outlook. Have a great day.